I've been trading for about 2 to 3 years now. I've had wins, I've had losses, and I've learned a lot along the way. So I started this series called Zero to Hero. Not to show off profits, but to show beginner traders the exact path I would take if I had to start learning trading from zero again. Real trades, real rules, real discipline. This is the journey. Alright, welcome back to the Zero to Hero Week 2. Week 1 was all about preparation. If you watched the first video, we went and we told you about the rules, the system, and how I plan to approach trading if I was to start all over again. Now, week 2 is where things actually started to get interesting because the trades started coming in. So my routine right now is pretty simple. Every day I go to work, and when I get off of work, around 6, 7, I go live on TikTok during Asian session. Sometimes I can be online for 30 minutes. Sometimes I can be online for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Really depends. Sometimes I'll trade Asian and London session. I'm trading MGC or XAU or gold, however you want to say it, but I'm using my Renko charts, which is just basically pure price action and no time involved. And I'm looking for clean reactions at levels. Once I see a setup, I call it out on stream, place a limit order, and then we just wait to see what happens. One thing that's really important in the series is discipline. So I gave myself a few rules. If you watched the first video, you would know the rules, but if you haven't, let me go over them again. Maximum 2 to 3 trades per session. Most trades, if not all of them, are 100 tick targets, 100 tick stop loss, so a clear 1-to-1. Usually 1 to 2 micro contracts. And if I break a rule, I stop trading immediately. These are all things I feel like I can do that's going to help me become successful in this trading business. The goal isn't to trade a lot, it's to take quality setups. A lot of my trades go for more than 100 ticks, and I can hold for that, but I just need to understand that once I do that, I'm done trading for that night. You feel me? So, now let's get into week 2's performance. During week 2, the account actually started moving pretty well. Week 1 was $0. Week 1 was $0. We started week 2 at the beginning of a combine. We paid $80 for it. The goal is to make 800, so it's 1,000% gain. At this current point of the combine, we are up $1,700 in profit. Just really trading one micro, excluding Thursday night where I traded 2 micros consistently. Honestly, I'm surprised because I'm used to getting to that much using 5 to 10 micros. You feel me? But the goal isn't to rush the combine. The goal is just to focus on taking quality setups and passing the combine without the risk of blowing it. You feel me? That's what we're trying to do. Every night, 2 to 3 trades. I think I'm going to up it to 2 micros so we can get to the 2,000 or maybe 25 pretty quickly. Like I said, we're not rushing. So this is just a thought. If I don't need to, I won't have to. Now, I'm streaming this every day on live. Something interesting is beginning to happen. TikTok is growing. I went from like 400 followers to almost 2,500 on TikTok. The streams are really growing. More people are showing up. I'm having more consistent people showing up. People who are there from day 1 are still here day 14, day 15. Chat is getting active. Traders are even coming to take my trades. You feel me? Which is pretty cool for me because this whole thing started with just me trying to document a zero to hero progress. You feel me? That's all it is. It's basically my version of a journal, but all streamed. Another thing I decided to do during week 2 was open 2 additional prop firms, but I really only did that yesterday. We opened up one with Apex. Why did we do that? Realistically, to learn how to trade NQ since Apex has banned gold and silver right now. So during that process, after I trade on the real Zero to Hero account, we're going to switch over to that so we can practice trade NQ. Feel me? I also opened up one with Lucid because they're brand new and I feel like, hey, why not try them? They also have a discount going on right now, so that's all the other more means to try them. Those two accounts are strictly for content. I'm going to trade 2, 3, maybe 1 micro on them, but they're strictly for content. The Apex account is to learn to trade NQ. The Lucid account is just to see how Lucid really is. You feel me? My main combine is going to forever be on Top Step. It's the discipline account. We don't break rules on that. We stay consistent. But the other accounts are just to show viewers how the same setup looks with different leverage. Feel me? The lessons I learned from week 2, one thing I learned that week 2 definitely taught me is how important discipline is. I damn near rarely lost the whole week. Why? Because I didn't get out of trades early. I wasn't tempted to just throw trades or have heavy leverage, so when I lose it really counted. You feel me? There were nights where trades happened really fast, 30 to 40 seconds, sometimes less, sometimes under a minute, sometimes over an hour. You feel me? There's even a session where I broke my rules and I didn't even know I took 4 trades. That's because everything happened in a couple seconds. But once I realized I broke my rules, we instantly stopped trading immediately. The other 2 accounts really are there designed to prolong the stream. I have times where in 45 minutes I'm done trading from 6 o'clock to 6:45. 7 ain't hit yet and I'm already done. That's because I'm a scalper. You feel me? There's other times where I'm 3-4 hours in and I've only taken 1 trade. And I'm sitting there like, do I even want to continue trading? Feel me? So that's what's going on. So now to prolong the stream in nights where it's short, we're just going to trade the other accounts. Right now the combine is sitting freshly at $700 and the goal is still the same. Not to rush it, not to overtrade, just to take setups and stay consistent. As long as we don't up leverage stupidly, we're not going to blow the account. Because 2 to 3 trades, 1 micro is $300, 2 micros is $600, all within the means of a loss. I'm still going to be up $1,000 if I lose 3 trades, you feel me? But once I lose 2, I'm done. Remember, the goal for this challenge is to not rush it. We want to make money. We're not going to overtrade. Just to take setups and stay consistent, that's the whole goal. In the next update, we'll see how week 3 plays out, whether the account gets closer to passing the combine. We're like past 50 something percent. I think we're like 52 or 54% past. We're going to keep it up. If next week we can do another 1700, that should be what, 7,714. That should be at 3,400. So if we do 1,700, we really pass the account. So all we're looking for is 17 trades if I take 1 micro, or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, about 8 trades. So we'll see you guys in the next video of Zero to Hero. If you would like to join the streams, my name is Slime Wukong on TikTok. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you're old to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.